What's up, family? This is your boy Ivan Hall, the Credit King. Did you know that President Biden is trying to get rid of the three major credit bureaus? To compete with the three commercial credit agencies, President Biden intends to establish a public credit reporting agency. A proposal from Demos, a leftist think organization with headquarters in New York and Washington, inspired the concept. A government-run credit reporting agency might help to address a credit reporting system that regularly prevents people from becoming homes owners due to issues such as credit reporting inaccuracies and racial inequities. Experts agree that there is racial wealth inequality in the United States, and that it must be addressed. Credit ratings don't take race into consideration in any way, but that doesn't imply that discrimination doesn't exist. According to studies, Black and Latino consumers have worse credit ratings than white and Asian consumers. Credit mistakes may make it difficult for Americans to acquire a mortgage and buy a property. According to research conducted by the Federal Trade Commission, 1 out of every 4 individuals had mistakes on their credit reports. The Demos plan advocates for a more open, consumer-friendly public credit reporting service that gives consumers more influence. A lot of people think that Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian would be better at keeping error-free credit records on 220 million customers better than the CFPB. A government credit reporting bureau would not make homeownership or other types of credit more accessible. It would be difficult for lenders to grant loans if you blew up the present credit system, particularly if you designed its successor to function in a different manner. There's a risk that credit costs may rise for everyone, even low-risk borrowers. Changing the credit system, which presently rewards these customers with lower interest rates and longer loan periods, might be quite costly. Demos' plan for a public credit registry proposes nationalizing an entire sector. It would eliminate employment and give the federal government vast control over ordinary financial life. According to Turner, a government credit registry serving as a public credit bureau in the United States would be an utter catastrophe for consumers. Political leaders have the ability to enhance the country's credit and lending system without ruining it. Adding some additional sorts of accountability to the credit bureaus seems to be a solution that all sides seem to agree on. Get your credit together today and go get that money.